Good morning, students. Again, we will solve this problem of issue of debentures at discount. See the problem. Heights Limited issued 4,000 10% debentures of rupees 100 each at 10% discount, payable 30% on application, 30% on allotment, and the balance on first and final call. The public applied for 4,800 debentures. Applications for 3,600 debentures were accepted in full. It means to the applicants of 3,600 debentures, company allotted 3,600 debentures. Then, applications for 800 debentures were allotted 400 debentures. To the applicants of 800 debentures, company allotted 400 debentures, means half of their demand. And the remaining applications were rejected. It means the remaining, that is 400 applications were rejected. The amount were received when due. It means all the amounts is received as per the requirement of the company. Pass necessary journal entries and also show balance sheet of the company after the issue of debentures. We will not prepare balance sheet now, just we will pass journal entries, and before passing journal entries we will prepare a working note about the giving details. Okay, let's start now. So we will pass journal entries of Heights Limited here. First we have to prepare working note because there is oversubscription for debentures and the company allotted various shares to various debenture holders. Okay, as usual, this is the column of 10% debentures applied. This is debenture allotted, debenture application money received, application money transferred to debentures account, excess money received, allotment money due, excess amount adjusted to allotment account, and refund given. Okay, so let's start. See, in the problem they told us that applications for 3,600 debentures were accepted in full. Means to the applicants of 3,600 debentures, company has given 3,600 debentures. So this will be the first category of 3,600 debentures applied and allotted 3,600 debentures. Then second category will be applications for 800 debentures were allotted 400 debentures. So to the applicants of 800 debentures, company allotted 400 debentures. So the ratio is 2:1. You can see this. And to the remaining applications, the remaining applications were rejected. Total applications received were 4,800. So remaining applications will be 400. And they have not allotted any debentures to these applicants. So here it will be nil. Total debentures allotted 4,000. Understood? टोटल 4,800 डिबेंचर्ससाठी ॲप्लिकेशन्स आले आहेत आणि कंपनीने त्यांना थोडी थोडी असे 4,000 डिबेंचर्स अलॉट केलेत. शेवटच्या कॅटेगरीवाल्यांना काहीही डिबेंचर्स देण्यात आलेले नाहीत. नाव डिबेंचर ॲप्लिकेशन मनी रिसिव्ड. इन द प्रॉब्लेम दे टोल्ड अस दॅट द अमाऊंट रिसिवेबल इज 30% ऑन ॲप्लिकेशन, 30% ऑन अलॉटमेंट, etc. So 30% of ₹100 will be ₹30. So application money will be ₹30. Debenture application money received will be 3,600 debentures into ₹30. Okay, so the amount will be 1,08,000. Okay, now in second category 800 into 30, so it will be ₹24,000. And in third category 400 into 30, that will be 12,000. So total application money received will be 1,44,000. That is 4,800 into 30 rupees. Understood? Total application money received by the company into bank is 1,44,000. Now, as full allotment is made for first category, all the amount will be transferred to debenture account. So here it will be 1,08,000. That is the amount received. All the amount is transferred to debenture account because there is full allotment. Then in case of second category, they have allotted only half shares. So amount of 400 debentures will be transferred to debenture account. That is 400 into 30, it will be 12,000. So in second category, only 12,000 will be transferred to debenture account, and in third category no debenture was allotted, so nil. So total amount transferred to debentures account will be 1,20,000. कळतंय सगळ्यांना? Now the next point, excess money received. In case of first category, excess money will be nil. कारण जेवढे शेअर्स अप्लाय केलेत तेवढेच अलॉट केल्यामुळे तेवढे पैसे सगळे डिबेंचर अकाउंटला ट्रान्सफर झालेत, नो एक्सेस मनी. बट इन सेकंड कॅटेगरी, out of 24,000 they have transferred to debenture account rupees 12,000. Okay, so excess money will be 12,000, remaining 12,000 rupees. In case of third category, no debenture was allotted to them, so the amount received on application will all be the excess money in case of them. So total excess application money received is 24,000. Now allotment money due. In case of 3,600 debentures, again the allotment money is 30% amount, that is rupees 30. So it will be 1,08,000. In case of second category, they have allotted 400 debentures, so 400 into 30 will be due from them, that is rupees 12,000. And in case of last category, no amount will be expected from them because company has not allotted any debentures to them. So total amount will be 1,20,000 due on allotment. Understood? Now next is excess amount adjusted to allotment account. As in case of first category, no amount is excess, no amount will be adjusted with allotment account. In case of second category, there is 12,000 excess money, so 12,000 will be adjusted with allotment account. In case of third category, there is excess money of 12,000, but they are not allotted any shares, so nil amount will be adjusted with allotment account. Okay, so adjustment with allotment account amount is rupees 12,000. Understood? In case of first category, no refund. In case of second category, no refund. But in case of third category, as no debentures are given to them, the excess money that is received from them on their applications will be refunded to them. So total refund of the company will be 12,000. Understood? So now we will pass the journal entries of the problem. Let's pass the journal entries. First journal entry. First journal entry will be bank account debit to debenture application account, and amount is received will be 4,800 into rupees 30, that is application money. So bank account debit 4,800 into 30 rupees to debenture application account. They are 10% debentures, so you have to mention 10% there. 10% debentures account, and so the amount will be, see here, from 4,800 debentures into 30, they have total amount received rupees 1,44,000. So amount will be 1,44,000. Keep your working note handy so that it will be easy to pass the journal entries and decide the amount of every entry. Narration: application money received on 4,800 debentures at rupees 30 each. This will be the narration. Now the second entry. Second entry will be of application money adjusted. See your working note. From this total application money 1,44,000, we have to transfer 1,20,000 to debentures account. Okay, then we have to refund 12,000 rupees, and 12,000 rupees will be adjusted with allotment account. Understood? So second entry will be 10% debentures application account debit 1,44,000 to 10% debentures account 1,20,000 to 10% debentures allotment account 12,000 to bank account about refund 12,000. Okay, narration will be application money transferred or adjusted. Now the third entry will be of allotment money due, and as these debentures were issued at discount, issued at 10% discount, 10% of 100 rupees will be rupees 10. So these debentures were issued at discount. Okay, so entry will be including discount on issue of debentures account. So entry will be 10% debenture allotment account debit amount will be 4,000 into 30 rupees. I will write it here for your information. 4,000 into 30 rupees, that is 1,20,000. Discount on issue of debentures account will also be debited, and this discount will be 4,000 into rupees 10. Discount on issue of debentures account debit, that is rupees 40,000, will be the discount given to 10% debentures account. Amount will be 1,60,000. So the narration will be amount due, that is allotment money due on 4,000 debentures on allotment. Now the fourth entry. Fourth entry will be of allotment money received bank account debit to 10% debenture allotment account. And the amount received is, means amount received will be after deducting the amount already transferred to allotment account. From 1,20,000 we have already transferred 12,000 rupees. So amount received will be 1,08,000 at the time of allotment. Narration being allotment money received. I will pass next entry here, fifth entry. So the fifth entry will be of first and final call money due, and again it is 30%, means rupees 30. 30% means on 100, 30%, that is 30 on face value 30%. Okay, so debenture first and final call account debit to 10% debentures account and the narration will be Final call money due on 4,000 debentures at rupees 30 each. Again, final call money due is rupees 1,20,000. And now the last entry will be of final call money received. As usual, bank account debit to 10% debentures. First and final call account. Amount will be 1,20,000 because all amount received असं प्रॉब्लेममध्ये त्यांनी सांगितलेलं आहे आपल्याला. सो नॅरेशन विल बी फायनल कॉल मनी रिसिव्ड. Okay, in this way we have to solve the problem if debentures are issued at discount. That's all.